Before buying SimplifyEm, there are 12 essential things you need to know that could save you time, money, and potential headaches. We'll cover what makes it stand out from the competition and give you insights into its features so you can make an informed decision. Next thing, SimplifyEm is known for its simplicity. Unlike other property management software that can be overly complicated or cluttered with features you don't need, SimplifyEm focuses on providing just the essential tools for managing your properties efficiently. If you're looking for something that doesn't require a steep learning curve, this could be a big plus. The third thing, one of its strengths, is affordability. SimplifyEm offers competitive pricing compared to alternatives like Buildium or Appfolio, which can be pricey for smaller landlords or those with fewer properties. While it doesn't offer every advanced feature like the bigger names, it provides everything most landlords need at a much lower cost. Now let's talk about scalability. The fourth thing to know is that SimplifyEm works well for both small and large portfolios, but it may not be the best choice if you need extensive customization. For basic property management tasks, it's great, but if you need something that can grow with your business with advanced features or integrations, other solutions might be a better fit. Next up, its accounting tools are solid but basic. SimplifyEm includes financial tracking, invoice management, and tax reports, which are great for landlords looking for simplicity. However, compared to more robust accounting features found in solutions like Yardi, SimplifyEm might fall short if you require deeper financial reporting or integrations with your business's accounting system. The sixth thing is its tenant management features. SimplifyEm allows you to track tenants, leases, and payments easily. While it's not as feature-rich as some competitors, it's straightforward and gets the job done. For smaller landlords or those who don't need complex lease tracking systems, this can be a huge advantage. The seventh thing to note is the mobile app. Unlike some property management tools that have clunky mobile apps, SimplifyEm provides a decent app for on-the-go management. It's not perfect, but it's much more functional than what you'll get from competitors with higher price tags. The eighth thing, customer support, is another strength of SimplifyEm. Users report good experiences with the support team, and the resources available, like tutorials and FAQs, make it easy to get started. That being said, more comprehensive systems like Appfolio may offer more extensive customer service options and dedicated support teams. The ninth thing, SimplifyEm allows online payments, which is crucial for landlords looking to streamline rent collection. However, it's worth mentioning that the payment processing fees can add up. Compared to some other solutions, SimplifyEm's fee structure is relatively simple, but could be more competitive with platforms offering lower transaction costs. Next, SimplifyEm offers the ability to manage multiple property types. Whether you're handling residential, commercial, or vacation properties, it supports different property types without any hassle. Still, it's not as tailored for niche property management like some competitors, which specialize in certain areas. The 11th thing is that SimplifyEm doesn't offer the same level of marketing tools as competitors. While it's great for managing your properties, it doesn't have built-in tools for attracting new tenants or marketing your units. If you need a more comprehensive marketing solution, you may need to rely on third-party tools. The final thing to know is its lack of integrations. While SimplifyEm does integrate with accounting tools and other platforms to an extent, it doesn't have the same vast number of integrations that you'll find with competitors like Buildium or Appfolio. If integrations are a deal breaker for you, this might be something to consider. SimplifyEm is a solid option for landlords looking for an affordable, easy-to-use property management solution. It doesn't have all the bells and whistles of its more expensive competitors, but for many, that simplicity and affordability are exactly what they need. That said, if you want an even better option, check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free today.